9.
On April 24, 1980, the United States launched one of its most complex and high-risk joint operations, Operation Eagle Claw. Its primary objective was the rescue of 52 American hostages held in Tehran, an event that had paralyzed U.S.-Iran relations for months. The mission began with a daring long-range infiltration. Specialized aircraft departed from the Masira Air Base in Oman, following a low-level flight path across the Arabian Sea to avoid radar detection, heading toward a remote staging site deep within the Iranian desert. This joint task force utilized highly modified hardware. This included RH-53D Sea Stallion helicopters with sand filters and MC-130 Hercules transports equipped with JATO rockets for short-field takeoffs, alongside EC-130s for advanced communication and psychological warfare. At the heart of the operation was the newly formed 1st SFOD-D, or Delta Force. Organized into assault squadrons and support elements, these units represented the pinnacle of U.S. Special Operations capability, prepared for the surgical extraction of the captives. The tactical gear was state-of-the-art for the era, featuring early AN/PVS-5 night vision goggles, CAR-15 carbines, and prototype GPS units. These tools were essential for a mission that relied entirely on the cover of darkness and precision timing. The central hub was Desert 1, a makeshift refueling point. The schematic shows a complex arrangement of landing zones, LZ blue, green, red, and white, where helicopters were to rendezvous with C-130 tankers for critical refueling before the final push to Tehran. However, the operation faced a perfect storm of critical factors. A massive sandstorm known as a haboob reduced visibility to near zero, while mechanical issues plagued the helicopters, leading to hydraulic leaks and engine malfunctions that crippled the fleet's operational capacity. With only 5 mission-capable helicopters remaining, fewer than the minimum required for a successful extraction, the command made the difficult decision to abort. The planned extraction route from Tehran back to Desert 1 was no longer viable. The tragedy deepened during the evacuation when an aircraft collision at Desert 1 resulted in the loss of 8 U.S. servicemen and 8 aircraft. The mission was officially declared a failure. The hostages remained in captivity, and political tensions reached a breaking point. Despite its failure, Eagle Claw served as a strategic catalyst. It led to the Goldwater-Nichols Act and the creation of USSOCOM, unifying special operations. As experts noted, the ashes of Desert 1 gave rise to the modern integrated special forces we see in the 21st century.